Billy Vasquez, and welcome to the 99-Cent Chef's Kitchen. And today I'm going to make a homemade eggnog in celebration of this Christmas season. Start by heating 2 cups of milk. Next, separate 4 egg yolks. And to that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And here we go. And I whisk the egg yolk and sugar for a couple of minutes. And to the 4 eggs and sugar, I'm going to add about half the milk, 1 cup. And we blend it together. And now I'm going to add the egg mixture with the milk. I'm going to add all of that to the rest of the milk. Okay, now it's time to add some spices and a little bit of extra flavor. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And finally I'm going to add some vanilla extract. There we go. And then we mix it up. You can really smell the aroma. A little bit of nutmeg, the vanilla, especially the cinnamon. We keep stirring over a low to medium heat for about 10 minutes, and it's going to slowly thicken. And then after 10 minutes I'm going to turn off the heat and just let it set, and you're going to get that classic thick, creamy eggnog texture. Here we go. Smells really good. Now, the main thing to add to an eggnog is, let's see, I have a little bit of spiced rum, or maybe Lauder Scotch, I don't know. That looks pretty good. Or how about brandy? Yeah, let's do brandy. Okay. So I add about half of an airline bottle of brandy. You can taste the nutmeg, and you can especially taste the brandy. So let's go decorate a Christmas tree. Time for another one. Alright, spice rum. Let's go tree the trim. Merry Christmas and